In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email template in Hubspot. Whether you're new to Hubspot or just need a refresher, I'll guide you step by step through the process, ensuring you're fully equipped to design a template that reflects your brand. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Hubspot account. Once inside, navigate to the top menu where you'll find the Marketing tab, hover over it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, head down to select Email, and from the submenu that pops up, click on Templates. This will take you to the page where all your email templates are stored and where you can create new ones. When you find yourself on the Templates page, look for the button that says Create Template. Give it a click and a new window will appear, offering you two main options, a drag and drop template or a coded one. If your skills lean more towards design without getting into advanced coding, the drag and drop option is your friend. For those with HTML knowledge or developers on hand, the coded template might be the way to go. Choose the method that best suits your resources and comfort level. Once you've decided, it's time to design your template. This is where you can infuse your email with your brand's personality. Think about colors, fonts, and imagery that represent your brand. With the drag and drop editor, you can easily add different content blocks. These might include headers, images, text, and even buttons for calls to action. Arrange these elements in a way that makes the email visually appealing and easy to read. For a coded template, ensure that the code is clean and that the design standards match your brand identity. Adding personalization to your email templates can really engage your readers. HubSpot provides personalization tokens that allow you to insert personalized details, like the recipient's name or company, into your email content. This not only grabs attention, but also increases the likelihood of driving conversions. Alongside personalization, ensure your calls to action are clear and compelling. They should encourage your readers to take the intended next step, whether that's visiting your website, making a purchase, or signing up for a webinar. With your design and personalization in place, it's crucial to save and thoroughly test your template. Saving ensures your progress isn't lost, and testing helps you preview how your audience will see the email in different email clients or devices. Look out for any formatting issues or broken links and make the necessary adjustments. Sending a test email to yourself or colleagues can provide that extra level of confidence that everything appears just as you intended. And there you have it. Your newly created HubSpot email template is ready to be used in your next marketing campaign. Keep in mind, the more you create and test, the more intuitive this process will become. And remember, a well-crafted email not only looks good, but works effectively to communicate your message and achieve your marketing goals. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful how-tos.